Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of contemporary interior design to inspire you with fresh ideas and modern style. Contemporary design is all about clean lines, minimalism, and a focus on sleek, functional spaces. Whether you're looking to revamp your living room, bedroom, or kitchen, we've got you covered with plenty of inspiration. Stick around as we explore contemporary interior design trends and ideas to help you elevate your space. Let's jump in. 1. Minimalist living room. Let's start with the heart of the home, the living room. In contemporary design, less is often more. Embrace a minimalist approach by choosing streamlined furniture pieces with clean lines and neutral colors. Opt for a sleek sofa with low-profile arms, paired with a minimalist coffee table and accent chairs. Add pops of color and texture with throw pillows, rugs, and artwork to create visual interest without overwhelming the space. 2. Sleek kitchen design. Next up, let's head to the kitchen, the hub of activity and socializing. In a contemporary kitchen, simplicity and functionality are key. Choose sleek cabinetry with flat panel doors and minimalist hardware for a clean, modern look. Opt for quartz or concrete countertops for a sleek and durable surface, and add a pop of contrast with matte black fixtures and appliances. Incorporate plenty of storage solutions to keep clutter at bay and maintain a streamlined appearance. 3. Serene bedroom retreat. Now, let's move on to the bedroom, your personal sanctuary for rest and relaxation. In a contemporary bedroom, create a serene atmosphere with a neutral color palette and soft, luxurious textures. Choose a low-profile platform bed with clean lines and minimalistic bedding for a sleek and modern look. Keep accessories to a minimum to maintain a clutter-free environment and promote restful sleep. 4. Functional home office. Last but not least, let's talk about the home office, a space that needs to be both stylish and functional. In a contemporary home office, prioritize clean lines and ergonomic design. Choose a sleek desk with ample storage and workspace, paired with a comfortable ergonomic chair. Incorporate plenty of task lighting to reduce eye strain and increase productivity. Personalize the space with minimalist decor and artwork that inspires creativity and focus. And there you have it, contemporary interior design inspirations to help you elevate your space with modern style. Whether you're revamping your living room, kitchen, bedroom, or home office, embracing clean lines, minimalism, and functionality is the key to achieving a contemporary look and feel. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more interior design tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy decorating!